Today I would like to challenge myself to cook a meal for $3. Let's go. I'm thinking of making some apple braised pork belly. First stop the meat store to grab some pork belly. 想要买五花肉，这只能一条吗？不能，我只可以买一半吗？
也一半了。
啊，因为我一个人吃不了那么多。这个是多少钱一斤啊
8块。哦，6块钱的。
谢谢收看6元。
Braised pork needs quite a few seasonings, so let's hunt those down. Oh, this garlic looks good. The ginger is super fresh too. 还要买的，还有葱吗？葱，一共多少钱
4块3。
恭喜收看4.3元。
这个是怎么卖
1块钱一份。
哦，我想买点小米辣。
小米辣大概要这么多够不够？
大概10个左右就可以，小把可以。
1块2嘛，这里用。
哦，那就
1块2加这里就2块2一共用。
好好 ，OK。This cucumber looks nice too. 这个黄瓜怎么卖
3块5。
还有一条。
1块9。
好。
恭喜收看1.9元。
Let's grab some black pumpkins too. 老板，这个木耳怎么卖的？10块。嗯。
多少钱的？这里1块。
收看1元。
Now let's hunt down a big apple. 哇，好大的苹果！这苹果也太大了。老板呢？没有人吗？老板，那个水果摊是你的吗？
啊。
我想买苹果。好大呀，这个好吃的吧？是南西。感觉我买一个吧，吃不了那么多。
4块8。
好。Perfect. Exactly $3. Now I got everything I need. Let's go home and start cooking. Hi, I'm back home. Based on these ingredients, I will make apple braised pork belly in brown sauce and cucumber fungus in cold sauce. First step, blanch the pork belly skin in hot pot. It helps get rid of the smell and makes the skin nice. While I was shopping, I realized something funny. The chill, ginger, garlic, and chilies cost 9 cents total, which could have also got me 405 grams of pork belly. Meat at the market is seriously cheap. Let's talk red braised pork for a sec. It's a classic Chinese dish. Rich, melt in your mouth, but not too greasy. People love it. It goes way back to the 5th century. Fun fact, Su Dongpo, a famous Asian writer, was a huge fan. That's why it's sometimes called Dongpo pork. Growing up, every Chinese New Year my mom would make red braised pork. It symbolized good luck and a red hot New Year, I'd always hover around the kitchen waiting to grab the first piece, and she'd taste me for being a little glutton. Another vivid memory, country weddings. Red braised pork was always on the banquet menu. Every table got a set amount, so you'd get 1 or 2 chunks. When I was a kid, I'd go to weddings with my parents and always ask them to grab me a piece. Steaming hot, super tender. That's the taste of raw feasts and childhood nostalgia. To balance the meal and make it a bit lighter, I'm also making a cucumber and black fungus salad. Gotta have that meat-veggie combo. This dish is very common in Chinese cuisine and has rich nutritional and medical value. Cucumbers have the characteristic of calorie heat and diuresis, while black fungus is rich in iron and vitamin D2. The combination of cucumber and fungus is very beneficial for nourishing qi and blood and promoting blood circulation. To finish it off, a glass of peach tea. The taste is very fresh and leftover hot apple from cooking. Now we can start eating. Red braised pork and white rice is perfection. A bite of pork, a spoon of rice. That sauce clings to the greens. So satisfying. This was my first time making it with apple. And hey, I think it turned out pretty great. Very nice. Only spent 3 cents total. And I've still got some chive, ginger, garlic, and chilies left. Not bad at all. What do you guys think? That's enough. See you next time.